Hi guys, just me here today. I was kind of hungry. It's like, man, just don't know what to eat today. You guys ever get like that? Let me know in the comment section below. I just threw a couple of chicken nuggets in the air fryer oven. But didn't really feel like eating that today anyway. Hey, how about tortilla chicken parm pizzas? I like it. Let's get to it. All right, so I just sliced up the chicken nuggets here just to give me pieces. You can leave them whole if you like. I've got the Ninja Foodi Never Stick skillet on the pan on medium. Just going to add a little bit of oil, just enough to get a good crust. And I got these burrito style, a little small for burritos, burrito style tortillas, flour tortillas. We're just going to get it on here and give it a little turn. We're just going to let these toast up a little bit. All right, so now it's just about toasting the bottom here. I mean, you can see nice and toasted. I'm going to flip it here so we can start toasting the other side. Look at the bubbling. Look at that. So, but we don't want too many bubbles here. While that's toasting, I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. About 3 slices. Like that. And we're going to add a second tortilla on the top. All right, so now the bottom one is actually toasting up really nice. So we're just going to give this a flip here. So that's nice. I didn't bother to add any oil because I want that bottom one to toast up a little bit more. So now we're going to add some of this chicken nugget here. Put as much as you want, as much as you need, or as much as you can fit. All right. Okay. Next, we're going to add sauce to the top. Now, you can put the sauce on the bottom if you want. I think if you put the sauce on the top, you won't make it mushy. All right. Just like that, not too much sauce. So we're gonna get this shredded mozzarella right over it, like that. Okay, get that on. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this off, put that over the top. Now I've got the broiler set to low. Okay, get that in, and we're going to go right into the broiler. All right, so that's just going to cook until the cheese is melted and a little toasted at the top. It's probably only going to take a minute or two. You got to keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. So I'm going to pull that out. Make sure you wear a glove. Even though it's a Ninja Foodi Never Stick with a cool handle, it will get hot. So I'll bring you back when I pull that out. All right, so it's just about done. It only took about 2 or 3 minutes. So make sure you get the glove on. There's the oven glove, the armor glove. Look at that, huh? And it doesn't stick. Look at that. Okay, let's close that. So we take a look at that. Huh? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it on. All right, so I'm just going to get it onto my cutting board here so we can give it a cut. It is scalding hot. So let's get that. And the handle is still very hot. Here. So gotta let that cool a little bit. Okay. I'm going to let this cool a little bit before I dig into it because it's scalding hot. I don't want to burn my mouth. Hot cheese will do a number on you. Well, that was a lot better than just chicken nuggets. So take a look at this. Now you have nice crispy edges. I mean, come on, look at that. Still steaming. Much better. Much better. Beats chicken nuggets, right? It's really good. And you can make it any way you want, too. So, hey, you're home alone, you don't have anything to do. Hey, a couple of tortillas, some cheese, some meat, tortilla pizzas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's a quick one. You know, it doesn't take much, just a couple of ingredients. Check out the videos here on the side from our playlist, some appetizers, some pretty cool stuff in the air fryer. If you have any questions, any comments, go ahead and post them at the bottom. Give me some likes, some shares. And as always, thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.